The market wisdom says, the first impression is always the best impression. Our call of the day: there is a bright chance that the bullish tone set in first two trading days in January could echo all through the year 2026. Please note, the traditional Santa Claus rally window, which began on 24th December, officially concludes on 5th January 2026, keeping today's bullish sentiment firmly in focus. Expect more fireworks amidst two positive catalysts on the backdrop. 1. Hopes of another quarter-point rate cut from the Federal Reserve and the RBI, keeping bullish hopes firmly alive. 2. Robust GST collections for December at 1.74 lakh rupees crore, reflecting 6.1% year-on-year growth and marking the fastest expansion in 3 months. The steady improvement in tax buoyancy, following the government's rate rationalization in September, offers a constructive backdrop for Indian equities. Long story short, Nifty remains in a zone of bullish consolidation, optimism stays alive, downside appears well protected, and the broader trend continues to favor patient bulls, despite near-term caution triggered by ongoing FII selling. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of rupees 90 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of rupees 677 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest a consolidation day. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,700 and 26,700 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 9.45 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.34 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.07 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.14. Nifty outlook. Nifty is likely to trade with bullish bias as fear of missing out, FOMO, is likely to dominate traders' psyche in frontline stocks, with bargain hunting and value buying emerging as the preferred themes. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26329. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 26,250 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,501 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26250 and 26450. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85763. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed at 85,350 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 86,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 85,300 and 86300. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 60151. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,707 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,700 and 60700. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Geopolitical tensions are set to dominate the week following the US attack on Venezuela on Saturday and the capture of President Maduro. The turmoil in Venezuela is unlikely to have any significant economic or energy-related repercussions for India, according to the Global Trade Research Initiative, GTRI. Meanwhile, Nifty bulls were seen excited in high spirits in Friday's trading session, as bullishness created several high-quality trading opportunities across the board. On the stock-specific front, Larsen & Toubro, Lanty, Hindalco Industries, TVS Motor Company, Titan Company, Shriram Finance, and Bharat Petroleum Corporation, BPCL, scaled fresh all-time highs during intraday trade. Meanwhile, Coal India, Mandem, Reliance Industries, RIL, Bajaj Auto, and Indus Towers climbed to their respective 52-week highs, reinforcing the underlying strength in the broader market. Stocks in spotlight. 1. TVS Motor, plus 2.11%, 3,875 rupees. TVS Motor rose and scaled all-time high after total monthly sales climbed 50% YoY in December 25. 2. DR. Reddy's Laboratories, plus 0.34%, 1,258 rupees. DR. Reddy's Laboratories consolidated after its Switzerland-based subsidiary received a complete response letter, CRL, from the USFDA for the biologics license application of its proposed biosimilar AVT03, keeping regulatory overhang in focus. 3. Coal India, plus 7.15%, 429.10. Coal India surged after the company announced a major policy shift allowing direct foreign participation in its e-auction process, a move that meaningfully strengthens long-term demand visibility. This marks a strategic expansion of Coal India's addressable market and is expected to enhance realizations, cross-border trade volumes, and long-term revenue growth. Meanwhile, Bharat Coking Coal, the subsidiary of Coal India, is set to open its IPO for public subscription on 9th January and close on 13th January.